Today, making a great trade recap. This momentum trading strategy recap will improve your trading skills to the next level. As you know, practice is everything when it comes to trading. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start now. Let's talk about BNX and this nice and quick setup today. I hope all of you are getting used to our new 3-layout system and see how powerful this new system is. Okay, no more talk. Let's start with daily. In our daily time frame, the price switch happened right here at this point, and this crazy rally started. Momentum imbalances kept pushing this rally. But you must understand this very well. This was not an ordinary rally. This is not a technical rally, more like a fundamental rally. As you know, the recent events against Donald Trump shocked the world. And Trump, with his new possible vice president, are more crypto supporters compared to Biden, the current president. Now the Trump is the stronger candidate. This created mega coin rally. Even Bitcoin hit 50k to 65k in a matter of time. Let's see our momentum layout and what really happened here. As you can see, our price is supercharged here with 3 different time frames. And in 30 minutes, you can see the price switch. All these little clues for me that buyers are here want to gain power against the sellers. I hope that all this is crystal clear. Now, let's see what happens inside the supercharged imbalance. With this 5-minute time frame, you can see here price attempting a switch. How the small falling knife stopped here. Buyers taking control, bringing new highs. And this 5-minute momentum imbalance is a great sign of buyers' power. For example, in this example here, in the 5-minute time frame, we do not have actually a failing imbalance. But if we go check out the 2 minutes, there are 2 failed imbalances. However, as I said in the masterclass, with 6 signs, we cannot have to find out 6 out of 6 signs every time. It is practically almost impossible or very rare. We have to work with what we have. From now on, you can join the rally and grab your share from the market. There is a clear 2-3% move to grab here. I actually traded this and got this move. Now about the stop loss here again. You must be logical. Covering this imbalance is a great idea because the price can easily pull back here. When you are in profit, you shall move your stop loss to break even and ride a risk-free trade here. Nothing overcomplicated, as you can see. Let's have a quick recap on this price action. With the recent events of Donald Trump, whole crypto world gained power and started to rally. After a while, prices took a little break and pulled back into this multi-level imbalance area to fill up. With the micro switch here, you made your entry. Again, markets are cruel. Take your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Always, but always, learn to protect your account. Why? Because we have no certainty that the targets will hit. No one knows that. I hope this was a good recap for you. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and a like. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care, friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.